Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G84, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. First of all, you need to open Recorder app and then click on this gear at the top right corner. Now adjust all of those options however you wish to, like quality. And to save your changes, hit OK at the bottom right corner. When you finished, go back and tap on this red button to start recording. You can pause it or unpause it using the same one. If you want to end it and save it, click on the square one on the right. Now you can click on Add Title at the top and type in wherever you wish to. To discard your recording right away, click Delete at the bottom left corner. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. In order to save it though, select Save at the top right one. As you can see, my recording is over here. To play it, click on it. If you want to, you can also tap on those three dots right next to it and use all of those options however you want to. In order to get rid of your recording, you can hold it and tap on this bin at the top right corner, or select those three dots and click on Delete. Wherever you decided, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!